everyone, tribe. Today I'm here facing one of my biggest challenge this winter break. I've been hiking for 5 hours through the mountains in search of it, the famous Yeti's cave. Do you know the story? They say there's a mega magical Yeti capable of granting you 3 wishes. I know! It sounds almost too magical, but isn't it awesome to believe in magic? Let me just call him out. Yeti! Yeti! Is anyone there? Hello? Ah! This is the coolest Yeti! Hey Yeti, can you grant me 3 wishes? Huh? I think he's trying to say something. Let's read. For me to grant you 3 wishes, and they can't be material wishes. Oh, you have to correct all the following challenges. Okay, I'll present several sentences, some in present and some in past tense. And you have to determine what's the right tense. Okay? All right, I'm super ready. Come on, let's go. Give them to me. The first sentence is, today I am very excited because I'm making a snowman. Okay, how can I tell if this is a present sentence or a past sentence? Oh, look! The words today and am are underlined. Hey. Are those hints? Okay, got it. So then it's present. Yes, because today, it means that it's happening today, like right now. And am is the present form of the verb to be. In the past, simple would be I was. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. And thank you. What a beautiful crystal. I love it. Okay, one more challenge. We played in the snow and made snow angels on weekends. We played in the snow and made snow angels on weekends. That's easy. It's a present simple sentence. Oh, no, I hate this sound. Oh, I think I'm wrong, guys. Yes, you're right. The suffix ed, yeah, I forgot about it. Oh, yes, it's true. Yes, play, it's just for the present tense, but in a past form would be played. Yeah, we need to add those 2 letters at the end. Oh, I was so confident, guys. Yes, it's true. And we also have made. In its present form, it's make. Oh, and you're taking the crystal? Oh, come on, give me another chance. Okay, here we have another chance. I go sledding. Okay, wait. I go sledding to the snowy hill with my family. I think it's a very easy sentence. Go, right? Points a present. Yeah, it's a present situation. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want to make another mistake, but let's just try. I think it's a present sentence. Yes, it's a present sentence. Great. And we got a purple crystal. I love this color, like my suit. One more chance. Last winter, we learned to ice skate. Last winter, we learned to ice skate. What do you think, guys? Last winter, we learned to ice skate. Oh, last is underlined and ed as well, are shining. I think that those references are pointing a past simple form. Yes, am I right? I don't want to look. Yeah! Okay, and we got a yellow crystal. Can I make my wishes now? Oh, I can't? Oh no! I'm sorry, only if you pass all challenges, but don't worry. When you least expect it, I'll give you another chance. Oh!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hi guys! Today we are going to start working with the past tense, okay? The very past simple form. Let's see, do you know how to talk about a past situation? Look, here we have a clock and two words written, past and present. In present, we would say something like, today I go to school. Remember? This is like you understand, right? Today I go to school, it's very easy. But if I want to talk about this situation in a past form, like it happened yesterday, for example, I would say yesterday I went to school. So the verb go changed into went, okay? This is a special form, and for regular verbs, we have an easier way. Let me show it to you. When we want to talk about past habits, situations, and facts, we use the past simple, okay? Past simple. To use this tense properly, you have to remember the generally, and for regular verbs, we need to add into the infinitive the suffix ed. For example, I play, today I play, and yesterday I played. Ed, and see that we pronounce it this way, played. It's like adding a T actually. Today I dance, and yesterday I danced. Today I paint, and yesterday I painted. Okay? So this is the way we'll do it with regular verbs. Regular verbs, chup, ed. But what about irregular? Irregular verbs such as go, to be, have. These verbs change completely and don't allow the suffix. So go, today I go to school, yesterday I went. Today I swim in the swimming pool, and yesterday I swam in the swimming pool. And today I read a book, and yesterday I read a book. But it's the same word, can you see? So in here, we cannot add the suffix d or ed after them, all right? So after this short explanation, let's go for the text. Find and underline the verbs from below, and what tense are they pointing? Present or past tense? Let's check. Today I am very excited because I made a snowman. Okay, so let's underline the verbs. Today I am is to be, and what tense is it pointing? The present. It's a present simple because I have today. Today I am very excited because I made, this is past. I made. So maybe it's today, but I did it this morning and now it's the evening time, okay? So made is a past form. We played, another verb, and it has the ed. So that means past. We played in the snow and again made. So made is what? Present or past? You have it right. Past. P-A-S-T. We made snow angels on weekends. I go sledding. Okay, I go sledding. That is what? That is a present habit, right? It's present. I go sledding on the snowy hill with my family. And last winter, we learned to ice skate. The ed, remember, so that means we are talking about a past situation, right? Let me just write it like that. Past. Well done! Remember, if you need to find what form is the verb pointing to, you can also try to find the references within next to the word, nearby the word, such as today or last, okay, or yesterday. Yes, these tiny words can give you lots of ideas.